Now, if you have your own content that you'd like to bring in, your own 3D content, you can either sketch on top of or even use them for a bit of kit bashing. You can do that. So open up your prefabs menu, and here we have our imported OBJs. Now, to pull an OBJ into Gravity Sketch, you go under Gravity Sketch, Import Library, and drag your OBJ into there. It will then populate here. Here you have a bar on the UI, so of course we can grab it and keep it out into our space. And usually how they'll pop up is as a text, and you have to load that OBJ, and then once it loads, it's now visible and grabbable. We'll do the same thing with the motor here. And so the same grab gesture that you use for anything else in Gravity Sketch, you use here to pull in your content. You can also use the same scale gesture, and we treat OBJs similar to other content in Gravity Sketch, meaning that you can grab it and you can make a duplication, you can change its color or its properties. And beyond that, this particular piece came in as a group of objects. I can grab that group of objects, hold it, and a little break icon shows up here on the non-drawing hand. If I break that model, now I've broken it up into individual components. I could then make an exploded diagram by pulling these parts apart and maybe changing the color for some indicators. I can also kit bash by grabbing something and potentially creating some sort of shape or just kind of throwing the ideas together to give me a bit of inspiration. So the way that the import library works is bring in anything that you've created in an alternative software or even within Gravity Sketch and have it at your fingertips here to bring in and use as inspiration in your scene or even use as part of your sketch.